Check out this before and after. Mix equal parts baking soda and hydrogen peroxide into a paste. Apply to grout and scrub with a soft bristle brush. Wipe with a damp towel and you'll be amazed.
All right, so I saw this cleaning hack where if you put toilet bowl cleaner on your tile grout, it's supposed to clean it really well. I just bought a new house, so I thought, what the hell, I'll give it a go in my kitchen. Ew. I let it soak for like 5 to 10 minutes, then gave it a good scrub. It was disgusting. And brace yourselves, that was after. And that's before. Ew, I think I'm gonna do my whole kitchen now. Bye.
Trying a TikTok cleaning hack. Start with boiling water down the drain, a half a cup of baking soda, a quarter cup of salt, make sure it all goes down the drain, then a cup of vinegar, wait 10 minutes and pour boiling water back down. Works like a charm.
TikTok made me do it.
You would be my boo. Promise to love you. Trust me, I trust you. If I had one wish, we would run away, making love all day.
Smells amazing.